Hello guys, it's Oscar here from psfever.com, and in today's tutorial I'd like to go through Prestashop's basics, go through both back office and front office. This video will be more of an introduction. It's actually the first video of a long series of videos I'm planning to make in the future, and the whole series will cover Prestashop's administration. We will go through each and every tab so you can see what is it for, and you don't have to waste time finding out on your own what this button does or what these settings changes and so on. In this video I would like to cover I would like to just give you really a brief introduction, and we will go through some of the terms I will be using during the other videos so that you know what I'm talking about. We will start with the front office. Everything you see right now it's we call it a theme. It's it's a template, it's the way your front office looks, it's the thing that the customers see. This is the theme of the front office, and here this is the back office. This is the part of your site that your customers have no access to and shouldn't, actually they can't get in. Otherwise you lack security and you have chosen some really weird password, such as I did when I installed Prestashop. But this was only an installation on my computer on localhost, so it doesn't matter that we chose the word password as the password for my account. Anyway, we can divide the front office into 5 main parts. This what you see right here, logo, the search box, as well as the menu. This is called the top of page, or we can call it header if you want to. On the other hand, here you have the bottom of page, also called footer, and in the middle, the main body of the page, in this case is divided into 3 columns. So this one is the left column, this one is the right column, and this one is the center column. I know that this sounds really easy. It is easy to grasp this concept, but in the future, when I'm talking about the modules and moving modules from one column or one hook to another, I want you to know. Want you to understand where are we taking the module from, where are we placing it, and so on and so forth. So this is here you can see basically everything you see right now are modules. uh, we will go through them in a separate video, uh, that's okay. This is also called the home page or the index page. It's the first page usually every customer sees when he uses the URL of your site. In our case is localhost/Prestashop, because we in the previous video have installed Prestashop onto my computer, onto localhost using the XAMPP. So this is the home page. Next, what is quite important, it's here we have module block categories. So I will just show you that this is something we will be referring to as a category page. It's basically a page of category with all the products in it. Next, what we have is the detail of the product or product page. Doesn't really matter what we call it. It's the each product will be displayed in this way. Of course, in this way, if you have the same template installed as I have, the default one. So this is the product page. Then I can show you what we will be referring to as the shopping cart, or as the order steps. Here you have the shopping cart summary. So this is shopping cart, and from here on, this is the order making process. Uh, I think that's about it on the front page. Why did I just go through that? Well, there are a lot of settings in the back office that influence the way the front office looks. So I want you to know when I say that, I can show it on an example. If we go, for example, to preferences and orders, and here we choose one page checkout instead of five steps checkout. I want you to understand that right now when I click on checkout, I have changed the checkout process, so you don't see the next button here, the button we saw the last time, but instead you see the whole order just on this one page, uh, and so on and so on. So this is really just the super basics of front office. Here's what the back office looks like. You see here the navigation. We will go through, as I said, each and every one of the tabs, so don't worry, we will cover it all. This is just the dashboard here that you see on the index page of your back office. You can see here the notice that I am actually using an older version of Prestashop. As I said in the last video, my great internet provider just cut me off the internet, so I couldn't download the version 1.5.6.2. Instead, I have just 1.5.6.0. The difference is really, those are differences between those versions are small. Those are usually the new version covers some bugs that were present in this version, and so on, and so forth. So the dashboard here, as you can see, you have some quick links that will guide you to creating, for example, new product. If we click on this button right here, and here we can, so just with one or two clicks, we can create a new product right from the bat. Clicking on shop default, which is our name of the shop, the name which we have chosen during the installation, you get back to the dashboard. It works the same with the logo. That no matter on which page you are, you can still click the logo and it will bring you back to the index page of the front office. Then next to quick links, you have some configuration checklist. This is quite important. Make sure that once your Prestashop is running on the website live and you want your customers to come in and buy, make sure that you don't have, I'm going back, you have the URL rewriting enabled, as well as browser cache and compression cache has to be enabled, and template cache yes, a template cache has to be set to never recompile template files. So if we save that, go to shop default again. Oh, this is weird. Oh, there's one more. I have to click on Apache optimization as well. And now when we go back, we see that the red cross has changed to green check symbol, whatever that is, and we have therefore cache enabled and compression disabled. No, sorry, we have compilation disabled, false compilation disabled. And the next thing that is quite important, right from the bat, you can check, you can set friendly URL to enabled. And what this does is that when we, for example, want to go to a product right now, I have not refreshed the page yet, so I can see the way it was with the friendly URL disabled. So if you click on a product here, I will copy the link so you can see that the link goes like this: localhost slash Prestashop, that's the folder where the Prestashop is installed in currently, and then index.php and id underscore product equals to 1 and controller equals to product, which does not of course correspond to the definition of a friendly URL. And you can see how it changes when we enable the friendly URL in the back office. That right now when I copy the link, instead it goes like this: localhost slash Prestashop slash music iPods, which correspond to category, I guess. Yes, this corresponds to the category the product's in, slash 1, which is the ID of the product, iPod iPod nano.html, which corresponds to the name of the product. So this is the definition of friendly URL. Instead of just the ID of the instead of just the number or the ID number of the product being present in the URL, you have the name of the product as well. So if we click on that, you see that it gets us redirected to the product detail of iPod Nano, and if we do that here, it redirects us as well to the product page of iPod Nano. Only for customers, it is you give them more information when the friendly URL is enabled. They know that the link goes to iPod Nano. If they only see the ID of the product if in the URL, they cannot really grasp what product is the link referring to. Okay, that was the URL rewriting, and then everything's okay. You don't really need to pay attention. You need to pay attention to these only in case that there's a red cross and a warning sign. And then of course you have here on the dashboard your information, which contains your monthly sales and statistics of sales during the week. This is the fresh installation of Prestashop, so there is only one default order that was created during the installation from a customer named John Doe, who is awaiting a check payment. Or we are awaiting a check payment from him. Um, but once you start getting orders, you will see a graph, a chart right here of your monthly or daily, this week's sales, so of daily sales. Yeah, so that's about it. We have covered the basics uh, of both back office and front office, and in the next tutorial we are going to start looking at the good stuff, which is what I call the catalog, because that's where you will spend 80 or 90% of your time in Prestashop. So that's about it for now, and I thank you for watching, and see you next time with the catalog tab. Bye bye.